If you're ready, smash that thumbs up button like you're gonna make mashed potatoes on Thanksgiving. Start smashing that thumbs up button now. Only do it once, because you do it twice, it negates the first one. Let's go. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Mike Dyack, and welcome to Charleston, South Carolina, where it's official. Pipe Doctor Home Services is opening a branch, expanding our service territory into South Carolina. Guys, it's going to be amazing, epic. Smash that thumbs up button. And if you're tired of working for a mediocre company, if you're tired of having a just over broke job, you need to reach out to me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com. Let's make moves together, and together, let's make the trades great again. Let's go. I gotta tell you guys, Charleston is a beautiful, beautiful city. Right now, I'm walking through the historic district where you have these beautiful, beautiful estates, these mansions. Look at those pillars. Look at that beautiful front door. Guys, in case you didn't know, Charleston is a South Carolina port city. It was founded in 1670. And most places where you look, you got these, check this out, you got these old cobblestones, right? And we have horse-drawn carriages, right? But most importantly, the construction industry is booming right now. Everywhere you look, there's construction. There's nice people. You walk by people in the street, they say hi. You say hi to one another because you have that southern hospitality and that southern charm. Guys, it is beautiful down here. It is Tuesday, the 27th of June, 2023. And you know what? It's 91 degrees out, but we got a nice breeze coming off the water right there. And it's just amazing. It's amazing. And I am so proud. Forget it. I am so honored that the community has brought me here as we expand from New York into South Carolina.
Hello, and thank you for calling Pipe Doctor Home Services of Charleston, South Carolina, home of Mikey Pipes and your solution for any residential or commercial plumbing, cooling, or heating service. If you need to schedule a plumbing, cooling, or heating service call, please leave.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. And just like that, we've been working on this project together, the entire community, for about 2 years. It started almost 2 years ago when I made an announcement that I wanted to expand Pipe Doctor Home Services up and down the East Coast. And I said, we're going to start in Florida. But Conrad from K Plumbing Service in Lexington, South Carolina was just so nice. He invited me down to his home, to his office, to his family, to his organization. And he showed me South Carolina. And I am beyond thankful to Conrad for that opportunity. There is the great flag of the state of South Carolina. And just ironically, it happens to be next to the flag of the great state of New York. Can you sense my sarcasm? Ladies and gentlemen, it's official. It's official. If you're tired of working for a mediocre company, if you're tired of being just over broke with your job, we need to talk. Email me, Mike at MikeyPipes.com. I don't think this guy knows what's coming. I don't think he knows what's coming.